When was the Indian Army founded? Option A 1757, option B 1895, option C 1947, option D 1950. Question number 2. What is the motto of the Indian Army? Option A Satyameva Jayate, option B Jai Hind, option C Duty First, and option D Service Before Self. Where is the Indian Military Academy located? Option A Hyderabad, option B Pune, option C Dehradun, option D Chennai. Where is the headquarters of Indian Army located? Option A New Delhi, option B Kolkata, option C Chennai, and option D Pune. Who is known as father of Indian Army? Option A Major Somanath Sharma, option B Subhash Chandra Bose, option C K.M. Kariyappa, and option D Bipin Rawat. Where is the Army War College located? Option A Pune, option B Mau, option C Nasik, option D Pathankot. Where is the Army Air Defence College is located? Option A Nasik, option B Coimbatore, option C Lucknow, and option D Gopalpur. How many commands does India Army have? Option A 5, option B 6, option C 7, and option D 8. Which border separates India and Pakistan? Option A Durand Line, option B Line of Control, option C Line of Actual Control, option D Radcliffe Line. Which body trains future officers of all services? Option A Indian Military Academy, option B Officers Training Academy, option C National Defence Academy, and option D Combined Defence Services. What is the full form of BSF? Option A Border Security Force, option B Bharat Seva Force, option C Battle Safety Force, option D Border Support Force. What does COAF stands for? Option A Chief Officer of Army Staff, option B Chief of Army Services, option C Commander of all soldiers, option D Chief of Army Staff. What is the highest rank in Indian Army? Option A Field Marshal, option B General, option C Colonel, option D Commander. Which act governs the Indian Army? Option A Defence Act, option B National Security Act, option C Army Act 1950, and option D Military Rules Act. Who approves Military Gallantry Award? Option A Prime Minister, option B Defence Minister, option C Governor, and option D President. Which award is given for peacetime gallantry? Option A Paramveer Chakra, option B Ashoka Chakra, option C Kriti Chakra, and option D Mahavir Chakra. Which gallantry award is highest in the wartime? Option A Ashoka Chakra, option B Saurya Chakra, option C Paramveer Chakra, and option D Kriti Chakra. Which body investigates major military accidents? Option A Central Bureau of Investigation, option B Military Court of Inquiry, option C National Investigation Agency, and option D Ministry of Defense. When is Army Day celebrated? Option A January 15, option B January 16, option C January 17, and option D January 18. Which command handles Jammu and Kashmir? Option A Eastern, option B Central, option C Northern, and option D Southern.